Good morning, students. So, today I will discuss some concepts. After that, exercise 7.4. Okay. So, before starting concepts, you write some formulas. Okay. So, first formula in this integral dx upon x square minus a square is equal to 1 upon 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a. Okay. Log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus constant. Okay. Second formula dx upon a square minus x square. First one was x square minus a square. Second one dx upon a square minus x square. So their formula 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus constant. Okay. Then third formula dx upon x square plus a square. So formula is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus constant. Okay. And fourth formula dx upon under root x square minus a square is equal to log mod x plus under root x square minus a square plus constant. And fifth formula dx upon under root a square minus x square. So this formula sin inverse x upon a plus constant. Okay, and last formula from this dx upon under root x square plus a square is equal to log mod x plus under root x square plus a square plus constant. Okay. So first you see that how to learn formulas. Okay. Some minor differences in formulas like dx upon x square minus a square, and here dx upon under root x square minus a square. So when under root x square minus a square, then formula log x plus under root this, and x square dx upon x square minus a square, then 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a. So like this you have to learn. If root, then this, and without root this formula. Second one dx upon a square minus x square. Okay, and here dx upon under root a square minus x square. Clear? So dx upon under root a square minus x square. So this sin inverse x upon a plus constant. And without root, then this formula. Okay. Third one dx upon under root x square plus a square. This formula dx upon under root. Okay. So sincerely you have to learn these formulas. Okay. Some minor differences in that. So you have to identify and you have to learn. So when you do questions, then you will learn properly, and also try to learn, not always see from book formulas and write. Okay, integrated. So also you should learn properly. Clear? So in these 6 formulas, some formulas I will derive here. Okay. So like first formula. Okay. So first 1 upon x square minus a square. Okay. So we can also write x minus a x plus b. Okay. Formula a square minus b square. So 1 upon x minus a into x plus a. So you break in 2 parts. Okay. So in place of 1 we can write, okay, x minus a if we write like this, you see here, x minus a and y means in this form you break this one. So x minus a minus x plus a, so x cancel. So minus a and this minus a, so minus 2a, or you can write like this, making positive x plus a, okay, minus x minus a, okay. So in this case plus 2a will come. Before that minus 2a, now plus 2a means 2a. So also divide by that 2a, okay, means multiply and divide by 2a, x minus a, x plus a. So 1 upon 2a, then divide separately, okay, this upon that, so this upon that, so 1 upon x minus a dx minus this upon that, so 1 upon x plus a dx, and x minus a suppose t and x plus a suppose u, so 1 upon 2a, so 1 upon t, you know, x minus a, you suppose here t, so dx is equal to dt, and x plus a is equal to u, so dx is equal to du. So 1 upon t dt minus 1 upon u du, okay. So 1 upon 2a, so which function their differentiation, 1 upon t log t, so log t means x minus a minus log u, so x plus a, okay. Okay, then bracket. So 1 upon 2 log m minus log n formula. So you know log m upon log n. Clear? That formula and plus constant you can write. So 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon, here also you can write mod. Okay. So this, so like this second one also you can prove, okay, means, okay, so like first second also you can prove, okay, then third one, so third one, so dx upon x square plus a square, okay. So here x you suppose a tan theta, okay, dx x suppose a tan theta, then differentiate, so dx is equal to a sec square theta d theta, then put here, so in place of dx a sec square theta d theta upon, in place of x, so a square tan square theta plus a square, so a sec square theta d theta upon a square take common, so 1 plus tan square theta, so 1 a cancel, so 1 upon a constant, and this sec square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta also sec square theta cancel, so 1 upon a and 1 into d theta, so 1 there, integration theta, okay, plus constant, so 1 upon a, so from here you find theta value, so x upon a equal to tan theta, so theta is equal to tan inverse x upon a. Put here. So 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. That is formula. Clear? So like that also you can verify. Fourth one, okay, under root x square dx upon under root x square minus a square. So in that also suppose x is equal to a sec theta. Okay, here in this x is equal to a sec theta. Similarly, fifth and sixth also you can. Okay. Then next concept. So next concept, to find the integral dx upon ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. And next concept, to find the integral, okay, dx upon under root so both concepts their process same. Okay, only difference is in first one without root and in second one with root. Okay, so these type of integrals, in that what is given their denominators. Okay, so you convert in, okay, square form. You convert in a plus a square minus b square or a square plus b square form. Okay, means by completing perfect square, okay, you convert in that form. Okay, so how to convert in this? So take a common. In class 10th you have studied, if any quadratic polynomial is given, then how to find their factors by completing perfect square method. Okay. So a take common, then x square plus b upon a into x plus c upon a. So a square plus 2a, so you find it, means 2ab is equal to, okay, 2ab is equal to b upon a into x. Then find a means x, so in place of a x you put, in place of a you put x, then b. So find b value. So x cancel, so b is equal to b upon 2a. So in place of this you put b upon 2a, and after that check if 2 to cancel, so bx upon a. Clear? So like that you find it. So a square plus 2ab, so this b their whole square you add and subtract. Adding means will be extra, then subtract it. So by that will balance. Okay. Then c by a remaining. So write. So a. So in place of this a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So in place of this we can write a plus b whole square. Okay. Then simplify this. So b square upon 4a square plus c upon a. take LCM. So 4a square, so minus b square plus, okay, here 4ac, so a x plus b upon 2a whole square, minus you take common from this, so b square minus 4ac upon 4a square, means now this is converted in this form. Okay, so in place of that you put this, so 1 upon a, that will be constant in bracket dx upon, in place of this is in denominator, so in denominator you write this, so x plus b upon 2a whole square minus, and this you can write like this, okay, under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a their whole square, okay, like this you can write. And same process for the second type, only root, okay, so same thing you will write, and here we'll apply root, clear? So you see that after that how to integrate. So 1 upon a constant, that will be out. Okay. So dx upon. So now you suppose x plus b upon 2a is equal to t. So what will be dx is equal to dt. Means in place of dx dt upon this t square minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a whole square. So now apply formula. This is constant. Okay. So capital A you can suppose, so t square minus a square. So for that formula, which formula? Formula 1 dx upon x square minus a square. Okay. So what it will be? So 1 upon a into 1 upon 2a. So 2a means this. Okay. Means this will be, this is a, clear? And log, okay, so log x minus a, so x means t minus a means this, b square minus 4ac upon 2a, this is a, upon t plus a. So like this you can do, okay, and then putting t value, so t value x plus b upon 2, so like this you simplify and find your answer, clear? Then two more types also, okay, to find the integral of the type integral px plus q upon x square plus bx plus c, and one more integral px plus q dx upon under root x square plus bx plus c. So this means both their process same. So I will discuss these two in next video and start exercise also. Okay, thank you.